Looking for an energy-efficient way to heat your water? In this video, we're diving into the best heat pump water heaters that combine performance, savings, and smart technology. Whether you're upgrading your home or building new, these options are worth a closer look, so stay tuned. Number 1. Rheem Performance Platinum Hybrid Water Heater. One criticism of heat pump water heaters is that they can be slow. The Rheem Performance Platinum Water Heater negates this concern with a hybrid setup that can operate in either heat pump mode for maximum energy savings or standard electric mode that produces hot water rapidly. Thanks to Wi-Fi integration and the EcoNet app, users can adjust these settings from anywhere. It's even possible to see how much hot water is in the tank via the app. The important first hour rating, FHR, is a competitive 67 gallons. According to Rheem, this model's Uniform Energy Factor, UEF, of 3.88 means potential energy savings of 75% compared to standard electric water heaters. That percentage translates to a savings of up to $315 per year. Number 2. A.O. Smith Hybrid Electric Heat Pump Water Heater. A.O. Smith's hybrid heat pump water heater is another model that uses hybrid technology to produce hot water very quickly to satisfy high demand, but run economically the rest of the time. According to the manufacturer, this technology can result in potential energy savings of 76% compared to standard electric models, up to $385 per year. This model's specifications are similar to many competitors, with an FHR of 65 gallons and a UEF of 3.8. The ICOM Smart Connectivity app allows monitoring and control from a smartphone, and users can also receive an alert if a leak is detected. The Leak Shield system will then automatically shut off the water supply until the leak is fixed. The pricing of the A.O. Smith Signature is a bit higher than our best overall pick, but all things considered, we think it offers excellent value for money. Number 3. Watt Stiebel Eltron Accelera 220E Heat Pump Water Heater. Stiebel Eltron is keen to point out that its Accelera 220E model is not a hybrid product, but a full heat pump water heater. This manufacturer's focus has been on energy savings, and it claims that this model reduces hot water bills by as much as 80%. Super insulation keeps water hot for longer periods, while redesigned air intake and exhaust allow for installation in compact spaces. An FHR of 50.3 gallons reflects the fact that this is a pure heat pump model, leaving no doubt they are a little slower. However, there is a booster option for periods of high demand. The UEF is 3.09. A digital display on the unit shows hot water volume, but the lack of Wi-Fi connectivity and a smartphone app for remote monitoring are definite downsides to this model. Number 4. Rheem Performance Platinum Smart Water Heater. The Rheem Performance Platinum Smart Water Heater is based on our top pick, the Rheem Performance Platinum Hybrid model, and shares impressive figures of an FHR of 67 gallons and a UEF of 3.88. This model also offers a multifunction screen on the unit itself and an EcoNet smartphone app that offers control over mode selection. The main benefit of this Rheem water heater is the LeakSense leak detection system that will automatically shut off the water supply if a leak is detected and limit water loss to a maximum of 20 ounces. Additionally, an audible alarm will sound and the unit sends a notification to the user's smartphone app. So, if the user is away, they don't need to rush home to address the leak. The refurbishing process includes functionality testing, basic cleaning, inspection, and repackaging. The product ships with all relevant accessories and may arrive in a generic box. Number 5. Eco2 System Samco 2 Heat Pump Water Heater. The Samco 2 Heat Pump Water Heater is a two-part system that uses technology similar to split air conditioning units. The heat pump stays outdoors, with a hot water tank inside instead of a fan. These systems are particularly ideal for cooler climates, as they continue to produce hot water even when the outside temperature is as low as -25 degrees Fahrenheit. They can be fast as well, with this 43-gallon model delivering an impressive FHR of 69 gallons. The outdoor unit runs at a near-silent 37 decibels and can be placed up to 50 feet from the indoor tank. Since the tank's job is to simply contain hot water, it is suitable for installation in restricted spaces. However, while the Sanko 2 heat pump water heater is very efficient, its functionality is fairly basic, with no modes or smartphone app.